Hi, Seawolves. My name is Kim Mahoney, and I'm the Associate Vice Chancellor for Facilities and Campus Services. And I want you to know that the facilities team is committed to campus safety. And as part of that, our custodial care team has increased their cleaning efforts to ensure that all surfaces and buildings are cleaned daily. Additionally, we've deployed sanitation wipes around the campus, including in the face-to-face classrooms, for all to use for frequently touched surfaces. Additionally, you'll notice that we've put some reminders up with signs advising and reminding folks just general safety practices like wearing a face mask, washing hands, and making sure that you're 6 feet apart. One thing that you'll notice that's different this year is that all of the campus buildings will be locked throughout the fall semester. But you will have access using your WOLFcard. And for the handful of buildings that do not have a WOLFcard access system, your instructor will be in touch with you about how you can access those buildings. Also, a way that you can help us is by ensuring that as you enter and exit the university buildings, that you make sure that the door latches behind you. Thank you, Seawolves. Be kind, be grateful. It's what we Seawolves do. Have a great semester.